Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Joshi. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to play the tabs for the song called Sakhiyaan. It's a song sung by Maninder Buttar and it is quite a beautiful song and was requested to me by Siddhant Thakur and Gunjan. So shout out to both of them. And the tabs are easy, not that difficult. Only the same progression of tabs is played in different rhythm. And if you want the written tabs of this song, I'll leave a link in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out. And yes, let's get started. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Okay everyone, so the first line of the song goes like this. You have to actually play this same line 4 times. So starts on 12th fret of second string. Then you have to play 7 strokes on 14th fret like this. Right, so first you have to play 5 strokes, then a slight pause, then 2 strokes like this. Right. Then play 2 more strokes on 12. Hammer on pull on 14. 10. Then repeat this line again 3 times. Right, I hope you got that. After that it goes like this. So give 5 strokes on 10th fret of second string. Then 7. 9 of first. 7 of first. 9. 7 and hammer on pull off on 9. We're playing this. Then again 2 strokes on 8th fret of 10th fret of second string. Another stroke on 10. 7 of first and hammer on 9. 7. 2 strokes on 10 of second. In fact 3 strokes. So not really complicated as it looks. Let's play this line together one more time. You have to play this line one more time. Right. So you have played this line 2 times now. Now when you play this for the 3rd time, there's a slight change in the last part like this. Okay, so the whole part is exactly the same. Only the last word, which is bichara, I think. Instead of giving 3 strokes, give 2 strokes, slide up to 7, then again give a stroke on 10. Okay, I hope it is clear for you, and for any doubts refer the written tabs, link is in description. Okay, so before we go to the next stanza, there's a sort of interlude which is played between, goes like this. Right, you have to play this one more time. So it starts on 7th fret of 2nd string, 2 strokes, 9, 10, 2 strokes on 7 of 1st, hammer on 9, 12, 7, 7 and hammer on 9, 7 and hammer on 9, 7, 10, 9 and slide up to 7. Okay, so what I'm playing is right. I hope you got that. Now let's move to the next line. Next paragraph goes like this. Okay. Okay, so it starts on 12th fret of 1st string with 8 strokes like this. Right, first give 5 strokes, then slight pause, then 3 more strokes like this. Then 10, 14, 12, 2 strokes on 10, 9 and slide up to 7, 5 strokes on 7, 9, 10, 9, 7, 9, 2 strokes on 7, then 4 strokes on 8th fret of 2nd string. Okay, so what I'm playing is okay, I hope you got that. After that it goes like this. Okay, so give a stroke on 9th fret of 1st string, 2 strokes on 10, 2 strokes on 9, 2 strokes on 7, hammer on 9, again 7, then 10 of 2nd. Okay, so what I'm playing is right. I hope you got that. Now again play the same line, the first line of the stanza. Right, I hope you got that. And after that you have to play this line. The 4 lines that we played in the beginning, you have to play the tabs for those lines now, and then after that again play. Right, I hope you got that. I've already explained the tabs for these lines, and still if you have any kind of confusion, refer the written tabs. The link to that is in the description box down below. And for any doubts, queries or requests, you can get in touch with me on Instagram. My Insta ID is right over here. And please don't forget to drop a like for this video, guys, and please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching.